Hello, viewers across the globe. Welcome to InfoDem. Once again, I'm very happy to bring you this video. And the essence of this video is to update you about the latest information concerning Metamask wallet. As you all know, the Metamask wallet is the leading cryptocurrency provider in the whole world as for now. Right now, Metamask has launched a new feature that allows users to set their cryptocurrency and receive payment in USD, Euro, and Pounds directly in their bank or PayPal account. So that is why I have come up with this video, because I know it's going to be useful, or it's going to be, necessary for everyone using Metamask to watch this video and carry out this process that I'm about to show in this video. This video is going to teach you how you can add USDT to Metamask. Metamask is somehow complicated for somebody that is not, used to it. But in this video, I'm going to make sure that you understand every step on how to add USDT to your Metamask. Adding USDT to your Metamask is not like the way you do it in Trust Wallet. If you want to receive or you want to send USDT from Metamask, you must add it to a specific network. That is what I'll be teaching in this video. And in this video, I'm going to major on two networks. I'm going to major on Ethereum network, and I'm going to show you how to add it on Polygon. Maybe in my subsequent video, I'll be going to other network. I'll be showing you how to add USDT in other network. So right now, let us go straight into the video. And if you find this video interesting at the end of this video, don't hesitate to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to InfoDem, because in this platform, this is where you get all the latest information and will get you inundated with how to go about all the upcoming cryptocurrency trading and the rest of them. So don't hesitate to share this video. So right now, let us go straight to the tutorial. You open your Metamask. So right now, my Metamask wallet has opened. So there's one thing I want to show you. Up here, this is where you have all the network. As you can see, you can add more network. You can see Core, Mainnet, and the rest of them. You can see Smart Chain. You can see Linear, Main Network. You can see Ethereum. Then you can see Polygon. So this is where you have your network. If you want to add network, this is where you come and add your network. As a matter of fact, let me just go to how you can add your network here. You come to this place, you click it, you click add network. When you click add network, all the network will come out, those ones that are here. If there's anyone that are not here, you can add by custom network. When you want to add by custom network, you must get the contract address and paste it here and add manually. But if you want to add directly from here, as you can see, you see Palm, you see Optimism, you see Harmony Mainnet Share, you see Phantom, Opera, you see Arbitrum, and the rest of them. For example, if you want to add, let's say, Optimism, you just click add. When you click add, it will bring this information out. Then you come here again and put approve. If you put approve, it has added. It can tell you, it's now telling me that I should switch to that network. If I switch to this network, if you have any coin that is under this network, under this blockchain, automatically it will show up. It will show up. So that is how it works. So right now, let us go straight to how you can add USDT on Ethereum network. So you come to where network is here. I click Ethereum mainnet, main network. As you can see, this is Ethereum main network. This is Ethereum main network. So what you do next is to scroll down to the bottom here, and you see import token. You see import token. You click import token. So as you can see, you see import token. You can search it, then you can add it by custom. So right now, I just want to put USDT here. I'll put USDT. As you can see, this is the original USDT up here. So the next thing you want to do is to click Theta USD. Theta USD, you scroll down here, then you click import. So as you can see, imported token successfully imported USDT. Now you can see in your Ethereum network, you have USDT here. Now, what is the implication? The implication is that at any time, you can swap your Ethereum for your USDT. Now, if you want to collect USDT, you want to swap your Ethereum for your USDT, that means it is this same USDT that is on Ethereum network that you must come and copy the link. If you go to another network like Polygon and you copy the link of USDT there and you think you can swap it for Ethereum here, your money will be lost. That is why it is important that you learn all these things and you know this information. So the link or the address of USDT under Ethereum is different from the address of USDT under Polygon Network. So right now we have successfully added USDT on our Ethereum network. Let us go to Polygon. So right now I have successfully switched to Polygon. Now you follow the same process. You want to add USDT. Here you come to import token. So as you can see, the next thing you do is to type your USDT. Then as you can see, the first one here, Theta USD, you click it. Then you scroll down and import. So as you can see, my Theta USD has been successfully added to my Polygon mainnet. So this is how it works. Right now, if I have Matic Polygon network, I can easily convert it to USDT. So that is how it works. Remember, don't say you want to collect USDT, you want to convert your Ethereum to USDT, and you are copying the USDT on Polygon network. Your money will be lost. So please don't forget that. Don't forget that. So if you find this video helpful, interesting, please don't hesitate to subscribe to InfoDem, like this video and share this video. In my subsequent video, I'll be showing you how to receive USDT from Binance to Metamask and how to receive USDT from Metamask to Binance. So till I see you in my next video, I say be good.